So now let's see how we can work around with our widget inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with our widget, you need to go around onto the Explore GPT section right here and then type in our widget right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, then you can see that this is specialist in R programming, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and then click on Start Chat right here, and you can generate our programming codes. So let's just go around and say write our programming codes to take 3 inputs from the user and export out a multiplication of those 3 inputs right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, you can see that it utilizes the R script right here, and then we'll generate it out right here. So you can see that it is taking in the input and then it is multiplying and giving it an output right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the R wizard inside of ChatGPT in order to take input and give output as a result right here, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.